Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today I'm going to be opening up my BoxyCharm BoxyLuxe for the first time. Stand by. So guys, first thing we want to address today, I know it's been a while. It has been a long while. I've been super busy with work, and I'm so sorry that I've been MIA, you guys, but I am really trying to get back on the horse with YouTube and everything. So to make up for lost time, in a future video coming soon, I'm going to go ahead and unbox all of the boxes that I missed while I was gone, and I'm going to open them all, and then I'm going to put that all in a giveaway for you guys, and somebody's going to win all of that stuff. So I hope that kind of makes up a little bit for me being gone. Without further ado, let's jump right into this unboxing. So you guys, this thing is huge. It's huge and it looks pretty awesome. It's heavy. I'm very excited to see what we have in here. And I know I'm not the first person to unbox this because I'm doing this a little bit late, but we're gonna do it anyways because that's the way we roll. Right guys? And now we're gonna have trouble because I don't know where I left my scissors. I don't know where it is. Ah, found it. I found it. Nobody panic, there's the scissors. Opening up the top of the box. It's the season, like sea, sun. So maybe it's a beach themed box for Christmas? That's a little weird. Okay, we do have a big version of the cards that has everything inside on it. So I'm not gonna peek at that yet. Oh, so many pretty things. I'm not like immediately recognizing anything, but there's a lot of pretty stuff in here. And the first thing looks like maybe it's a makeup bag. It says Glam AF. That's interesting. It's like a leather bag. It feels really nice, but I would have preferred a different title to it. If it had just said glam on it, then I would have been really happy with it. But I'm not a huge swearing person. Like, if you swear, that's totally your choice. But I don't swear really on a regular basis, so the AF is just a little over the top for me. But for those of you who do think this is ironic and funny, which it is kind of funny, you'll definitely enjoy that. Oh, this is cool! It's I think it's an external battery. And it says Crimes of Beauty on it. Yeah, this is an external battery. Okay, so it looks like we've got a USB connection, a little micro USB for Android. Wait, dual charge connector. Oh, that is sweet! This charge connector works for either Android or iPhones. It's like a dual kind of charger. That's really cool. I think that's sweet. And it says there's also a Type-C adapter built into here as well. Yeah, okay, so there is a Type-C adapter in there as well. That's kind of cool. I'm kind of excited about this. I might bring this with me to Disney and see how it goes. And I think that's a pretty cool thing to get in a box. It's kind of FabFitFun-esque in my opinion. So apparently the external battery and this makeup bag goes for about $22. I think that's a pretty accurate price for an external battery and a makeup bag. So I'm happy with that so far. I think that's kind of neat. Very cool. Okay, diving into here a little bit further, I see something from Pretty Vulgar. It looks like it might be a lotion or something. Oh no, it's a powder puff. So it looks like a translucent powder. Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder. Mad about it. So this runs for $32. I'm not crazy about getting powders in boxes just because I feel like they're the less pretty kind of product. However, I do think this is a very pretty packaging for a powder, and I'm definitely excited to put this on my makeup stand. And it says that that runs for $32. I'd say that's a decent price for a powder, a little bit on the spendy side. I probably wouldn't go out and buy a powder for $32. There's just so many other things that I'd rather spend $32 on, but it's a good value. The next thing I'm seeing in here is this Spongielle Multi-Use Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused. It's an infused. It's infused with body something. So it's a body wash infused buffer. I cannot say the words today, you guys. Yeah, okay, so it looks like a little shower sponge. It's really cute. It's like the star shape. I think that's adorable. And I can kind of smell it, and it smells good, so that's a positive thing. Yeah, I haven't gotten anything like this in a box before, and I think it's kind of cute. It says the MSRP of this is $20. I really don't know if I would pay that for a body wash infused sponge. It seems a little bit too fancy for my taste. I'm a little bit more basic than that, but I will definitely use this. I'm just not sure if it adds a whole lot of value to the box for me personally. Oh my goodness, you guys! You guys can't even see because of the reflection. I'll get it out of the plastic. Okay, I'm really way too excited about this. This is a Luxie complete face set, and there are so many brushes in here, and it looks so beautiful. The box is really gorgeous as well. This is cute. This is freaking cute. It looks like we have, what is this? What is this? Sorry, I'm just confused about this one thing. I want to figure out what it is. It's the tiniest little lip brush ever. That is the best way to protect a lip brush. I love that. That is so smart and nifty. And you guys, this little stand thing has little rubber things inside the hole to help these all stand up. So I think this is meant for like permanent use maybe. Like maybe you stick it in this box and you can display them or something like that. I think that's cute. But it looks like we've got a face blender brush, more of a blush or contouring brush. Actually, I think this is a contouring brush. And then we've got a flat shader brush right there, a little blender, an eyebrow brush, and a flat shader brush. So those are all of the brushes right there. I think they look adorable. I think the box is beautiful. Just really, really, really excited to get this. And I have a feeling that the value of this is really going to cover most of the box here. It says that this Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set has an MSRP of $65. Which is awesome. So BoxyLuxe costs an extra $29 in addition to your regular subscription, and you get one every 3 months. So this subscription costs $21 plus $29, $50. This box costs $50. So the cost of these brushes cover the cost of the box. Everything else in the box is free. I love it when that happens. I love it when a plan comes together. Yes. And if you haven't heard of Luxie brushes before, they are very, very high quality brushes. They're always really, really soft. I love them whenever I get them, and they are very expensive, so I love getting them in boxes. So great thing to get in the box. This is awesome. Okay, moving on. We gotta move on before I spend 20 minutes of this video talking about these Luxie brushes. Next thing I'm seeing in here looks like an eyeshadow palette, maybe? Okay, so it says Protégé Suva Beauty. Here's what the inside looks like. It looks like it's some pretty beautiful colors. I'm excited about that. They look kind of foily too. Could be good. Let's do some swatches. Holy moly! Yeah, you can see that really easily on my hand. That is the first color, Theory. That I'm going to be using as a serious highlight because, man, wow. Kaboom, it's strong. The forest is strong with this highlight, you guys. Oh man, I'm in love with that. Let's just do a little bit on my cheeks. This I will be using as a highlight. It's got like a little bit of lavender to it, which is kind of amazing. I love it. Can you see me shining all the way from Minnesota? I'm being way too weird right now, but that was awesome. The next color, Conscious, very smooth, matte, dark brick color. Balance comes next, and that is a really soft, foily copper shade. It's beautiful, looking really pretty right there. We got Tact, a very nice light highlight shade. It's a matte highlight. I don't know if you can actually see it on camera because it's matte, but it is very pretty and also kind of creamy, so that's nice. And then we've got kind of that cranberry shade right there. That's called Aesthetic, and that is very beautiful as well. That felt a little bit more chalky, but still really, really pigmented. And I've just swatched this color right down here. It's called Structure, and that is just a little bit more of a grayish, mauvey, silvery, shimmery, foily color. I like it a lot. It's hard to describe, but it's very, very pretty and very creamy and nice as well. And then right below it, I put Poetic. It's another light matte shade. It's got a little bit of glitter. Kind of the same tone as that Structure color before it. It's just a matte shade. And then there's this last kind of champagne-y gold shade down here at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that one as well because it is a little bit less of a pigmented color, but it's still really nice and foily. It's just not quite as deep and pigmented as the other foily shades that are here. So far, I think this is pretty high quality. Okay, the Suva Beauty Protégé Palette, the MSRP is $34. I think it's actually worth that. I've never heard of this brand before, but these seem like pretty high quality pigmented shadows, so I'm excited that this is in the box as well. The next thing I'm seeing is this Elemis Anti-Aging Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's an anti-wrinkle day cream, so that's kind of awesome actually because I've been getting some dry skin lately and I need to moisturize it. You know, if you've ever been to Minnesota in the winter, you get it. You get it. The winter sucks the life out of the skin up here. And this is pretty skincare, which is cool. It's gonna look good at my sink. It smells nice as well. That's a good thing. And it looks like There's 1 ounce in here, which is a decent amount for skincare. For comparison's sake, 1 ounce is about the size of a normal container of foundation. Here on the sheet it says this goes for an MSRP of $89, which is awesome because I would never spend that much on lotion, a day cream especially. So I like getting it in the box because then I don't have to go to the store and go, do I really need that? Do I really need that? No, I'm not gonna spend that much money on a day cream. So, BoxyLuxe has forced me to use an $89 day cream, and I got it for free because I already paid for this box with the brushes. You guys, this is turning out to be a great box. So the next thing I'm seeing is this Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. The first thing I'm going to say about this is I feel like the tube looks cheap. I don't feel like it looks luxury at all. I do like the brush though. It's like short and bristly. I feel like it'll coat the lashes really well, and the consistency I can see as this comes out of the tube, it's like thick and stiff, which is the kind of mascara I really enjoy. So maybe I take it back. Maybe I actually will like this. It says the MSRP of this is $25. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys if I saw this in the store, I wouldn't spend $25 on it. I don't know, to me it just looks cheap. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's supposed to be like not cheap because it's in the metal, but the metal is like brushed funny. It just looks like they didn't finish making the tube before they slapped the label on there. The next thing I'm seeing in here is this Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint. I never had a Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint before. It's called Insta Famous, and it's kind of got this duochrome sort of look to it. I think that looks super cool. Okay, so this is basically a duochrome lip gloss. It's right there on my hand, and as you can see, it's kind of glittery and glossy. It feels kind of sticky like a lip gloss normally does. I do a little bit better with dealing with sticky lip glosses now than I used to, but I still don't enjoy it. So I might try to find someone to give this to who will really enjoy it, because I'm just not a fan of lip gloss. Can't deal with the sticky and the hair getting stuck in the gloss. I can't do it. Okay, rant over. The Tarte Glitter Lip Paint was an MSRP of $20. And I think that's about what they go for. I would not spend $20 on a gloss just because I don't like glosses. But that doesn't mean it's not a good value for those of you out there who do love glosses. Okay, and the last thing in here, I saw this a little bit ago and I was trying not to freak out and spoil it for everybody, but so excited. It's a Violet Voss palette. I've tried some of their stuff in store before and loved it. This is really pretty. It's kind of that same kind of palette that we've gotten a lot of lately, with a lot of cranberry and gold shades to it, but it's really, really pretty. And the colors, holy cow, they're amazing. I'm not gonna go through and swatch everything for you, but just to give you an idea, those are 3 of the colors. And holy moly, they are shining like the sun, and they feel really, really soft and nice. Nicer than that other palette by far. So I am very excited to get to use this and try this out. Let me know, you guys, if you want to see a look with this palette, because I really want to do one. And the Violet Voss goes for $45. That is accurate. Yeah, let's tally up how much all of this stuff is worth. So you guys, the total for all this stuff in here was $352, which is crazy considering that this box cost us $50. And this is nuts. This is really good value. This is like all the pieces of FabFitFun that I love the most. The makeup, the pretty pieces, and none of the extra stuff. But I think we got a really, really, really good value in this box, and I'm definitely excited, gonna keep getting it. I love this new BoxyLuxe box. I think they were really trying to get into the more FabFitFun market that they have and do a box that you get less often, but you get really, really good stuff in it. So I'm super excited about this, and this might actually make me want to cancel a couple of those other boxes that are not living up to my expectations right now. So I don't know, that might happen. If you guys think I should cancel any of my other boxes, let me know in the comments down below, because if you're bored with something, why would I want to keep getting that box? I don't know. Why would I? And if you guys like this video, make sure you smash that like button. I will have a giveaway video coming out for you guys real soon, so keep an eye out for that. That's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!